Hi friends, I am Father Bernardino de Almeida, standing right in front of the miraculous statue of Mother Mary, Mary Help of Christians. This statue was placed in 1977. A politician wanted to take over this for mining. So he planted bombs in order to crack down this whole rock and the statue. But what happened was a different thing. He put the bombs, the bomb blasted, and all around the rock it also broke open except the rock that Our Lady was standing on. And this is the same rock that Our Lady is standing till today, and the devotion is taking place. My dear friends, in order to promote the devotion to Mary Help of Christians, on every 24th of the month, we have a mass over here. If anyone of y'all would like to come and pay a visit, you're most welcome.